In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's get started by selecting your board. Log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the specific board where you want to set the reminder. This is the foundation for your reminders because each board can represent different projects or tasks, and setting reminders is key to keeping everything on track. Once you've opened your board, it's time to add a date column. Look to the right side of your existing columns and click on the plus, which is often marked with a small icon that looks like a plus sign. When you click that, select the option labeled Date to add a new column. After it's added, click into a cell within this new column, and you'll be able to pick your specific deadline or the date for a reminder. This is crucial because it sets the foundation for when you'll receive notifications. Next, we'll open the Automation Center. At the top of your board, you will see an Automate button. Click on that to get access to various automation features that can simplify your tasks and workflows. In the Automation menu, navigate to the Dates category. It has a variety of templates related to date management. Here, you need to find and click on the template titled When Date Arrives, Notify Someone. Selecting this template makes it easy to set up your reminders based on the deadlines you've just defined. Now it's time to configure the automation. Start off by clicking on the word When. This is where you confirm that the trigger for the alert will be the arrival of the date. If you want even more precision, you can specify a particular time for the alert, ensuring that you get notified at just the right moment. Next up is the notification message. Click on the Notify option. Here, you can write a custom message for your reminder. A helpful tip is to use the item name tag in your notification message. By using this tag, your alert will clearly indicate which specific task needs your attention, helping you to stay organized. Now let's move on to the recipient of the alert. Click on the Someone option. Here, you can choose who will receive the alert. You can send it to yourself, a specific team member, or even to an entire group. This feature is great for ensuring that the right person is always informed about upcoming deadlines. Finally, after setting everything up, you need to activate your automation. Click the Create Automation button to turn your reminder on. Once this is done, you can breathe easy knowing you have set reminders for critical tasks, and you'll get notified right when you need to take action. And that's it. You've successfully created a reminder in Monday.com. By following these steps, you'll ensure that you and your team stay on top of your tasks and deadlines. Remember, making good use of reminders can greatly enhance your productivity, so give it a try today.